Bitcoin is all over the internet. People are investing, they are getting involved, and this is the best time to get a piece of that sweet Bitcoin income. Hello guys, welcome to another video. And in today's video, we are going to talk about how you can make one Bitcoin in one day without having to do anything at all. You can just do this strategy anywhere in the world, and you just need a steady internet connection, and you either need your phone, laptop, or PC to get this method going for you. To set everything on autopilot, we are just going to copy some links, paste them, and when that is done, you can grab a cup of coffee, a cocoa, or whatever you like to drink. Kick back, relax, and get that income passively. This method is proven by many people, and I've decided to not keep it a secret and share it with you guys, so all of us will get a piece of that sweet income. I have to say, if you skip this video and try to figure it out on your own, it can get confusing and you may get lost in the process, and I wouldn't like that. So have patience, watch this whole video, and when it's over, so go ahead and prove that this method works. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. So step number 1, I want you guys to go to exe.io, and remember guys, you have to go step by step. So as you can see here, it says shorten, share and earn money. This website will pay you for every click that you have on the link that you shortened right here. On this website, let's say for example, I'm going to go to YouTube and choose this video to copy its link. When the copy and the saving of the link is done to my clipboard, I'm going to paste it right here. So it's going to give me a shortened link. You can copy that shortened link, and when you click on it, your shortened link is going to show you this window where it says click here to continue. It's going to give you some commercials, some ads, but that's just how they make money. So you don't have to worry about that. They're going to split the ad revenue with you. So if you go back to exe.io, you can scroll down below to read more about it. As you can see, first you have to create an account. Then you would have to shorten your link. And third is to earn money. People who click on your shortened link will help you earn money. And as you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you can see that they are trusted partners of PayPal, Bitcoin, Payer, and AirTM. And so you don't have to worry about trusting this website because these names are always trustworthy. So let's go back to the top of the page. And as you can see here in the top right corner, you have a thing called Payout Rates. I want you to click on that, and that will take us to a page where you can see how much money you're going to earn, depending on where is your audience located. For example, 1,000 views in Greenland, you will get paid $20. 1,000 views in Iceland are going to get you $15. 1,000 views in America are going to get you $9, and so forth. So it might not seem like a lot, but I'm going to show you a method which you can use that is going to help you get thousands and thousands of views per day. So you won't have to worry about that at all. Also, what I like about this site is that you can go over here to payment proof and see the recent payout that the website made. Some people even make up to $20, but it all depends on how well you do this strategy that I'm about to show you guys. Okay, so I want you guys to click the sign up button right here, and I want you to register on this website so we can continue on with our next step. So just enter your username, your email address, create a password, confirm that same password, agree to the terms and the use of privacy policy, and hit register. When you've done that, you'll be able to see a dashboard that looks something like this here. So you can see your links, withdraws, tools, referrals, and much more. But the most important part here is the settings. I want you to head over to settings, and from this little drop menu, select profile. Here on your profile settings, you can select your withdrawal method. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. So for the next step, I want you guys to go over to youtube.com and pay close attention to what I'm about to do, because this step will easily help you generate money and get thousands and thousands of views under your sorted link. Okay, so you would want to type in how to, and some results are going to show up. So you want to choose something that is quick, that is easy, and something that will get you a lot of clicks. So let's say, for example, I want to choose how to delete Instagram account. It seems easy, and in our situation it is very approachable. So you want to choose the video with the most views, so I'm going to choose this one. So you're not going to use the same exact video that this person used. You can easily record your screen and explain how to delete Instagram account permanently. Or if you want to do something else, you can do that on your phone. You can just visit obsproject.com, and OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software. So you can see here it's available for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and it is very easy to use this program. I'm using this program for my videos, and the only thing you need to do when this window pops up is click start recording and later find the file and use it. Okay guys, if you have successfully recorded your video and if you are ready to publish it, head on over to youtube.com, click the top right corner right here and go over to YouTube Studio. When you are here, just click upload videos. You can then select the file that is on your device, and that would be it. Now what I would like you to do is to go over to that viral video that we talked about and copy the link of the video. When you have copied the link, go over to xe.io, click create link, paste the link here, shorten it, and copy it into your clipboard. That is it. So now you would want to paste that same link into the description of your YouTube video. With that being done, everyone who sees your YouTube video will see that link and click it, and that will generate the Bitcoin for you without you doing anything. So basically, whenever you want to draw Bitcoin from this website to your Bitcoin wallet, you might get surprised because of the Bitcoin price goes up again. It will automatically mean more money for you than you expected. Okay guys, if you do not have a Bitcoin wallet, you can easily get one. Just go over to Google, type in Bitcoin wallet, and go over to bitcoin.org. Choose your wallet, and they have a helper who is going to assist you in your decision. They're going to give you some questions that you will need to answer, and from your answers, they will give you a wallet that is most suitable for your needs. If you don't want to do that, you can go to coinbase.com. In here, you can easily get a Bitcoin wallet. You just need to put in your email address and get started. But the type of Bitcoin wallet is not that important. All that is important is that you have a Bitcoin wallet on which you can consistently put in and withdraw Bitcoin from it. And yes, you are placing your link in the withdrawal account. Do not forget to fill this out here. You enter your first name, your last name, your address, if you have a second address, your city, your state, zip code, country, and phone number. You cannot make a withdrawal if you do not put in your credentials. You can make serious money if you do this method correctly. Alright, I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.